Hello, everybody. It is Tuesday, January 26th, the first day of quarantine. Bum, bum, bum. What I did, I went through whether you're in cohort B, cohort A, or remote learning on Google Classroom. I arranged all the Google Classrooms to kind of look the same. That way, when you look at Google Classroom, your screen will look just like what I'm seeing right now on Google Classroom. I wanted to make sure you guys understood everything that you need to get done for this week. We're trying to go with quality over quantity instead of just giving you guys tons and tons of work that doesn't amount to much. We're trying to focus on what does work. Um, so we're going to go with quality over quantity. First thing we're going to do down here, vocabulary, is on word choice this week. This vocabulary lesson is a little bit shorter than what it normally is, but you guys do vocabulary every single week, so you know what to expect. That's not due till Sunday at midnight. IXL, there are 3 lessons this week. Remember, you can stop when you get 80 to 80%. That is also not due till Sunday at midnight. So you really want to capitalize getting that stuff later on this week, rather as some of the stuff is due before then. So that if you want to push something off, IXL and vocabulary, you can push it off to the weekend, but you can probably get it done today and be like, hey, I'm free. Flipboard number 5. You guys that were in class on Monday kind of heard the spiel on this. We haven't done flipboards in a hot minute. That's why we're only on number 5. Remember, you're using a reliable news source, okay? We're looking for article name, the author, the main idea. Please make sure you write that a complete sentence. And then also 5 supporting details. Make sure you again use complete sentences. Please make sure you look for a reliable news source. And what I did, we were using these earlier in this year to kind of give you guys an idea of what's reliable and what's not. Zoom. Too much. Hold right there. No. See, nope. I'm struggling now. Woo. There we go. All right. So, anyways, this is kind of any chart you look at, remember, is going to be a little bit biased. So this saying that this is a media bias chart, is biased in some way, shape, form because it's judging other people on being biased. And hey, everyone has a bias. So this kind of gives you an idea of what's reliable and what's not. We live in the age of, hey, I don't like you, so I'm going to label you fake news. And these guys in the middle, y'all, they're all reliable news sources. If you see AP, that's Associated Press, you know it's reliable. Okay, the further down to the left you get, the more kind of baloney you get. The further down to the right you get, the more baloney you get. We talked about this in class on Monday. Fox News and CNN kind of get the brunt of it as, oh, they're fake news. If you're looking at something like sports related, CNN and Fox News, they're going to have everything straight up as just straight facts, okay? When you start to get into politics and opinions, then you're going to fall into the reign of somebody could be inserting their opinion on you. So if you're going to do your flipboard number 5 on like a political issue, I'm telling you right now, I would stay clear of these guys over here and definitely stay clear of these guys over here because you may be getting somebody's opinion and not so much the facts. If you want to do something political based, I would stick around with this stuff that you know is all factual based because you don't want to be doing a football article on somebody's opinion because that's an editorial, that's not so much news. And that, I think, these guys over here and these guys over here, when it comes to politics, they're kind of pushing an idea or opinion more than they are pushing the news. And that kind of what has created the fake news phenomenon that we, have talked about in class all year long. Stick to these news sources up here, but please make sure it's a reliable source. Obviously, you cannot turn it on paper because we're for remote. So please make sure that you do that. You can do it online and make sure you submit that. There's a template right there if you want to use the template. And you can submit it on Google Docs. Okay, so that's Flipboard, IXL, and vocabulary. We did the Call the Wild Now and Then chart in class. You guys had to finish it for homework. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to check it this way. I think what I'll probably do when you finish that chart is I'll make a Dropbox. If you need help on that chart, watch that video right there. Call the Wall, Chapter 5. I know my cohort B people had Chapter 5 done. We're fixing to start Chapter 6. My cohort A people are finishing up Chapter 5. You're going to start reading Chapter 6. And then my remote people, they're already on Chapter 6. So make sure you finish up Call the Wall, Chapter 5, and then jump into Call the Wall, Chapter 6. I have not done it yet, but I will gladly add the audio reading to Chapter 5 and 6 out there. I didn't even think about it. I know I did with Chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'll gladly add that for Chapter 6. I'll do that when I get done making this video. The last biggest thing. See this? It's called the Wall Background Quiz. Huge. Make sure you do this, okay? It says complete the background quiz. Remember to use the articles we covered in class. Do you need help? Check out the attachments below. So here's the actual quiz right here. I click on it and boom, there it is, okay? And it's already signed into my account, so you'll have to sign into your account. But some of them are short answer, some of them are multiple choice. Now, that being said, where do I find the answers to this? Oh, my goodness. Those 3 articles we covered in class on the Klondike Gold Rush and Jack London and Pack Mentality, that's where the answers are. Now, you remote people, you don't have handouts of that, but, there they are right there on Pack Mentality, Jack London. Oops. And then I also made videos on these, posted to my YouTube channel, of us covering those in class. So if you need to refer back, that's where all the answers are. Okay, so make sure you get that done. That is due Friday. So that and the flipboard article number 5 are due Friday. You need to make sure you have Call the Wall Chapter 5 and 6 done by the weekend. Like some folk helper I do on Sunday. If you have a question, send me an email, bnm@vanstarter.org. I may not respond immediately, but I'll respond as soon as I can. My iPad, I'm sending off to get a new iPad, so I no longer have my iPad. So I may not be as quick to respond because I can't respond to emails that fast on my phone because my fingers don't move that way. But I'll being that I don't have my iPad anymore, I will have my laptop nearby during all this. Don't hesitate to reach out. And I think that's about it. I will keep you guys posted, and I will talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.